Hello everyone. Today we are going to see data in series part 2. First of all, we are creating a series using a string value. Here, first of all, we are importing pandas as PD. We are creating a series object S using pd.series. We are giving hello string as an argument in it. As we print S, we see that at the 0 index, the whole of the string is printed. The D type here is object as it was a string. Now we are creating a series using a nested list. We are creating an object L. Again, we are directly using pd.series. We have put two lists inside a bigger list. Now as we print L, the first list inside the bigger list is printed at 0 and another at 1. As they are not directly numerical values, the D type here is object. The list at first index is at 0 and the list at the second index is at 1 inside the whole of a list. Now similarly, to know the difference better, we are creating a simple list and we can see that here individual values were taken as individual entities at 0, 1 and 2 index, and the D type was int64. Now we are going to create a nested series from a nested dictionary. We have seen in a simple dictionary the key values become indexes, whereas the values of the dictionary became the values of the series. Here, as we take nested dictionary, the key value student becomes the index of the D dictionary, and the whole of the other list, which was as the value pair, becomes the value of the series. And the D type here is object. Now we are going to create a series using a numpy array and not a value, that is null. First of all, we need to import numpy as np. We are creating an object n equals to np.array and we are putting some values inside a list. We are also taking a blank value designated with np.nan. That is not a value, not a number. Now we are printing the n object and we see that an array is created here, which is shown. Now we'll convert this array into a series by creating an object m using pd.series and putting the argument as the n, which contains the np.array. As we print m, we can see that these values are printed in float, and at the third index you can see the nan value is shown. The D type is float 64. Whenever the nan value is there in the series, the D type automatically becomes float. Please remember. Now we are creating a series using scalar value. We have created an object S using pd.series where the argument we have given is 2500, which is a numerical value. However, we are given three indexes A, B and C. The value is 1, the indexes are 3. Thus we have taken a scalar value. As we print S on all the three indexes, that is A, B, C, the scalar value 2500 is printed similarly. The D type is int64. When the value is 1 and the indexes are more than that, then the same value is continued. However, if we have taken two values and the indexes were 3, it would have given an error because of the mismatch between the indexes and the values, because taking two values doesn't fit in the definition of a scalar value. Thank you. Now we are creating a series using a loop. We have created an object f equals to pd.series. We have given a range starting from 1 stopping at 15. That means it will go from 1 to 14. That is n minus 1. That is 15 minus 1 equals to 14. And the step value is 3. That is 1 plus 3, 4 plus 3, and similarly it goes on. We have taken index as x for x in ABCD. That means we have used a loop, for loop here, that the x will be from ABCD till it ends. So here as we print f, first of all the index x takes A, then it takes B, then C, D and E from the designated string in the loop. The values are printed as per the range 1 plus 3 that is 4, plus 3 that is 7, plus 3 that is 10, plus 3 that is 13 and plus 3 it would have become 16, but the range was only till 14 as the stop value is 15. Thus the loop ends at 13. The range ends at 13. The D type here is int 64. Thank you.